Hey, I just wanted to make a very quick video because I feel like I have some obligation because I'm a big part of the Verus community. But someone hacked the Verus Discord and they are posing as Mike Tout, and they posted a link that said free airdrop, and even myself fell for it. And when I was asked why I wasn't eligible, I was instantly banned from the Discord. So I think they might know that I'm an influencer, and because I know other people can still talk on there and have asked, but for some reason I can't. In this video, I will show you connecting to their fake airdrop, which you should not do, and then how to disconnect from it. And then I will show you, because I am banned from the Discord, I will show you how to actually ban or report this user. I am making this video because I do not know how long this will last for. This could last for a day, this could last for a month. I do not know. I just care about you guys, and I do not want to see you guys lose all your funds to something very silly. So, yeah, let's get on with this video. So here's the website that they created. It looks legit as hell. Like, I didn't even think of, like, to click on anything. I know it looked like the Verus website. I didn't even question the veruscoin.cc. I didn't, so yeah, I did, and I went check eligibility, and then I did this one. And now it's going to connect my MetaMask. I should not be doing this, but I am doing this to show you that if you fell for it, how you can get rid of it. So go next, connect. So yeah, see there, connected. Oh, and it says I'm not eligible and I gotta use a different account. Okay, but now we are gonna go into MetaMask. Okay, so now we're in MetaMask. We're gonna go to these three dots here, connected sites, and we are gonna go to this one, see veruscoin.cc, disconnect, and you should be okay. And I urge people, like, this shouldn't be a sell-off event. This can happen to anybody. Like, even I think Jim Browning, he fell for a scammer. So, like, it could happen to anyone. Verus is just a great project still. So don't take this as a sell-off event. It's just a blip in the system, and I am here to help help you so you don't lose your funds.